You get some strange noise coming from here. And it's erratic idle, and then it almost dies. Yeah, strange. That's too bad. And get the sound from this part also. I have to push it in. The kick is bad. So I just had it out, tested again, and it's still the idle is not good. And then I found out that the sound, the strange sound that comes sometimes, seems to come from this one. You see how this is moving too much, right?
Can't be like this. I don't know, have to check it out. That is making some strange noise.
This has never been removed. I can feel it in the screws.
So this is the cable that counts the RPM so it doesn't go too fast. Is it easy to remove it just for now? This is just a hassle when you're doing maintenance. Otherwise, looks pretty dirty. So what's up with this? I have to remove it to check it out.
I don't have much experience, but I don't think it should be this much play, right? It's not the same as a old Yamaha DT that I had when I was 15, 16. Never any problem. If it was problem, it was me doing it. This looks pretty okay, but not perfect.
Should clean it, right? So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, right? 8 sprockets.
The sound was this one. So I've ordered a new axle and bushing, see if that makes it better. But it's not for daily use, this is pretty bad crap. Yeah, this is good. I don't know if I told you, but I ordered a new one, 63mm. So hopefully that will fit. And we got the bushing. So let's hope it gets less play. Feels more solid than before, at least. So let's put this on and adjust everything, and I'll get back. The spring also. So by the way, let's replace the old one and get everything fresh. Gonna grease this one up a bit. Got a washer here also. It's the old one, I bought a new one. Maybe I should use it, this is the same size. Yeah, of course. Well, I'm using this one. Get in this hole here and then I'll push them out like this and then pull it down.
Then we just have to pull this one back here, and that's hard when we have this one here. Yeah, so I'll remove that one, I believe, and we'll see if we can get it there later on.
Yeah, finally. Yeah, it felt right down. That was too easy. No. Need to get this back, it's locked there now. It'll be interesting to see if this works out. Gonna grease it up a bit more here, around here. But that's it, that's pretty much it. Then you just put the kickstart back. So I greased up everything again, greased it up. I forgot that, I was just testing it out the first time, so let's do this again.
Put this here, and this one here, and then it's not that hard when you get the feeling for it. Well, I'm talking my head, right? What happened now? The lamp died?
Yeah, my extra lamp died.
What's that? Okay.
We're back. At least I got it there, right? China's finish, you know. Not too impressed, China. Okay, we buy it cheap, but if we could pay a bit more for a bit more quality.
It has to be in the middle. There's a groove inside here, this shaft. Otherwise you can't get it down.
So light is working also. And the fuel gauge is working.